Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. How's your day going? Today, I'm joined by Daniel, and we are going to talk about my favorite food.
Hi, everyone. So glad to be with you today. Let's jump right in.
Hi Daniel, how are you today?
I'm great, Sophie. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
That's nice to hear.
Daniel, do you like talking about food?
Yes, I do. I love food.
Me too. Everyone eats every day.
That's true. Food is part of our daily life.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
My favorite food is pizza.
Oh, really?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Why do you like pizza?
It is warm, cheesy, and very tasty.
That sounds delicious.
It really is.
How often do you eat pizza?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a month.
Not every week?
No, I like to eat different foods too.
That's a good idea.
What about you?
My favorite food is noodle soup.
Nice. I like noodle soup too.
I eat it quite often.
What do you like about it?
It is warm and comforting.
I know that feeling.
I also like the fresh vegetables.
Vegetables make the meal healthier.
Yes, they do.
Do you cook noodle soup at home?
Sometimes.
Is it difficult?
Not really. It just takes some time.
I would like to learn.
Maybe we can cook together one day.
That sounds fun.
Do you usually cook at home?
Yes, a few times every week.
What do you cook?
I make rice, chicken, eggs, and vegetables.
Those are simple meals.
Yes, but they are tasty.
Simple food can be very good.
I agree.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Almost every morning.
What do you usually have?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Tea or coffee?
I usually choose tea.
Why tea?
It helps me feel calm.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I usually drink milk or orange juice.
Healthy choices.
Thank you.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, but not too much.
Same here.
What is your favorite dessert?
I like chocolate cake.
Oh, wow. I love chocolate too.
Chocolate makes many desserts better.
I think so too.
What dessert do you enjoy?
I like ice cream.
What flavor?
Vanilla is my favorite.
Mine is chocolate.
Both are delicious.
Yes, they are.
Do you like spicy food?
Just a little.
Really?
If the food is too spicy, I need a lot of water.
I understand.
How about you?
I enjoy spicy food, but only sometimes.
Everyone has different tastes.
That's true.
Trying new food is always exciting.
Yes, and it's a great way to learn about different cultures.
I couldn't agree more.
Let's keep talking about our favorite foods. There are so many interesting dishes to share.
Yes, I always enjoy talking about food.
Me too. Food brings people together.
It really does.
Daniel, do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do.
What kind of restaurant do you like?
I like small family restaurants.
Why do you like them?
The food feels fresh and homemade.
That sounds wonderful.
The people are usually very friendly too.
Friendly service makes a big difference.
I think so.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not very often.
What fast food do you like?
I like hamburgers and French fries.
They are very popular.
Yes, many people enjoy them.
What do you drink with your meal?
I usually drink water.
That's a healthy choice.
Thank you.
I also like water with my meals.
It helps me feel refreshed.
Do you like cooking with your family?
Yes, I cook with my parents on weekends.
That must be fun.
It is. We laugh and talk while we cook.
What do you usually make together?
We make chicken soup, rice, and salad.
That sounds like a lovely meal.
It is one of my favorite family activities.
I sometimes cook with my sister.
What do you make?
We bake cookies together.
Oh, I love cookies.
They smell so good when they're warm.
Fresh cookies are hard to resist.
I agree.
Do you have a favorite fruit?
Yes, I love strawberries.
Nice choice.
They are sweet and juicy.
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Why apples?
They are easy to carry and easy to eat.
That's true.
I often take one to work.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots, tomatoes, and broccoli.
Broccoli is very healthy.
Yes, and I like the taste too.
Many children do not like broccoli.
That's true, but tastes can change.
I didn't like it when I was young.
And now?
Now I enjoy it very much.
That's great.
Daniel, do you remember your favorite food when you were a child?
Yes, I loved fried chicken.
Do you still like it?
Of course, but I don't eat it very often now.
Why not?
I try to eat more healthy food.
That makes sense.
I still enjoy fried chicken on special days.
Balance is important.
Exactly.
I also think we can enjoy our favorite food without eating it every day.
I agree completely.
Daniel, let's teach our listeners a few useful food words.
Great idea.
Everyone, here's an easy word, delicious.
Delicious means the food tastes very good.
For example, this pizza is delicious.
Or your soup is delicious.
That's a word you will hear very often.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time.
Here's another useful word, fresh.
Fresh means the food is new and not old.
For example, these apples are fresh.
Or I like fresh vegetables.
Those are simple sentences.
They are easy to remember.
Daniel, I have another question.
Go ahead.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually have rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
It gives me energy for the afternoon.
I usually eat noodle soup or a sandwich.
Which one do you like more?
It depends on the day.
That's a useful expression.
Yes, it depends is a very common phrase.
For example, someone asks, "What do you want for dinner?"
You can answer, it depends.
Maybe you want pizza.
Or maybe you want soup.
It depends on how you feel.
That's right.
It is a short phrase, but very useful.
I hope our listeners will try using it today.
I'm sure they can do it.
Learning English can happen in everyday conversations.
And talking about food is one of the easiest ways to practice.
I couldn't agree more.
Everyone eats, so everyone can talk about food.
That's a great point.
It is an easy topic for English practice.
Daniel, do you like trying new food?
Yes, I do.
Are you an adventurous eater?
I think so.
What was the last new food you tried?
I tried a new kind of seafood.
Did you like it?
Yes, the flavor was different, but very good.
I like trying new dishes too.
It can be exciting.
Sometimes I like a new food right away.
And sometimes it takes time.
Exactly.
Have you ever cooked a new recipe?
Yes, last month I made vegetable pasta.
How did it turn out?
Better than I expected.
That's wonderful.
I was very happy.
Cooking is a useful skill.
I agree.
It also saves money.
And you can choose healthy ingredients.
That's another good reason to cook.
Daniel, where do you buy your food?
I usually go to the supermarket.
Do you ever shop at a local market?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What do you buy there?
Fresh fruits, vegetables, and fish.
Local markets are fun to visit.
I enjoy walking around and looking at everything.
Me too.
The colors of the fruit and vegetables are beautiful.
They really are.
Sometimes I find something new to try.
That's exciting.
It makes shopping more interesting.
Daniel, let's share another small English tip.
Sounds good.
Many learners ask about like and likes.
That's a common question.
We say, I like pizza,
We also say, you like pizza.
but we say, he likes pizza.
And she likes pizza.
Don't forget the S with he and she.
That little s is very important.
Let's give one more example.
Sure.
I like apples.
My brother likes apples.
Nice and easy.
You can practice those sentences every day.
Daniel, here's another interesting question.
I'm ready.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
I usually eat around 6:30.
That's earlier than me.
What time do you eat?
Around 7:30.
That's still a good time.
After dinner, I sometimes eat fruit.
I usually do the same.
What fruit do you choose?
Often bananas or oranges.
Bananas are very convenient.
Yes, you can take them almost anywhere.
That's true.
Do you drink enough water every day?
I try to.
Me too.
It is easy to forget.
Yes, especially when we are busy.
Daniel, what food reminds you of home?
My mother's chicken soup.
That sounds special.
It is.
Why does it remind you of home?
She made it when I was sick or tired.
That is a lovely memory.
The smell always makes me smile.
Food can bring back happy memories.
I think many people feel that way.
My grandmother made wonderful rice dishes.
Do you remember helping her?
Yes, I washed the vegetables.
That's a nice memory too.
We talked while we cooked.
Cooking together creates special moments.
It really does.
Sophie, I have a pronunciation tip.
Great, let's hear it.
Listen to the word vegetable.
Many beginners read every letter.
But people often say it like vegetable.
The middle sounds become shorter.
Try saying it slowly first.
Vegetable.
Then say it a little faster.
Vegetable.
Excellent.
Here's another easy word, favorite.
Favorite.
My favorite food is noodle soup.
My favorite food is pizza.
Those are great practice sentences.
Simple sentences help you build confidence.
Now we'd love to hear from you.
What is your favorite food?
Write your answer in the comments below using a simple sentence.
For example, my favorite food is fried rice.
Or, my favorite food is ice cream.
Every answer is welcome.
And if you're enjoying our conversation, please give this video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Your support helps us make more episodes for English learners around the world.
Thank you for learning with us every week.
Let's finish our chat with a few more fun questions about food.
That sounds like a great idea.
Danielle, if you could eat only one food for 1 week, what would you choose?
I would choose pizza.
I'm not surprised.
It has cheese, vegetables, and meat.
There are many kinds of pizza.
Yes, I can choose a different one each day.
That would make the week more interesting.
What about you?
I would choose noodle soup.
Every day?
Yes, but I would change the ingredients.
That's a smart idea.
One day with chicken,
Another day with beef.
and another day with vegetables.
It would never feel boring.
I don't think so.
Do you enjoy eating with friends?
Yes, very much.
Why?
We can talk, laugh, and enjoy our meal together.
Food tastes even better with good company.
I feel the same way.
Sometimes my friends and I try a new restaurant.
That sounds fun.
We each order something different.
Then everyone shares a little?
Yes, we can taste many dishes.
That's one of my favorite ways to eat.
Mine too.
Danielle, do you have a favorite drink with dinner?
I usually drink water.
Do you ever drink juice?
Sometimes I drink apple juice.
I like orange juice.
Both are refreshing.
Yes, especially on a hot day.
Do you like hot drinks?
Yes, I enjoy tea in the evening.
I like tea too.
What kind of tea do you drink?
Green tea is my favorite.
I like black tea.
Both are delicious.
Danielle, before we finish, let's review a few words.
Great idea.
Today we learned delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
We also learned fresh.
Fresh means new and good to eat.
We practiced the phrase, it depends.
You can use it when the answer is not always the same.
We also talked about favorite.
For example, my favorite fruit is an apple.
And remember the grammar tip.
We say, I like pizza.
But we say, she likes pizza.
That little s is important.
Small steps help you improve every day.
Keep practicing a little every day.
You don't need long study sessions.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Read simple English.
Listen to easy conversations.
Repeat the sentences out loud.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Every new word makes you stronger.
We believe in you.
Keep going, you are making progress.
Danielle, I really enjoyed today's conversation.
Me too, Sophie. It was a lot of fun.
Talking about food is always enjoyable.
And it's a wonderful topic for English practice.
We hope you learned some new words today.
We also hope you feel more confident speaking English.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
We truly appreciate every listener.
If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who is learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
We can't wait to see you in our next conversation.
Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Goodbye and have a wonderful day.